Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on a Chromebook. Many people wonder if their Chromebook can handle this popular soccer game, and the good news is it absolutely can. We will cover two primary methods to get you onto the virtual pitch. First, we'll look at using the Android application, which is often the most straightforward approach. Then, we'll explore cloud gaming options, offering another excellent way to enjoy eFootball without heavy downloads. Let's dive in and get you playing. The easiest way to play eFootball is by installing its Android app. First, check your Chromebook settings to ensure it supports Android apps and has the Google Play Store enabled. Most newer Chromebooks do. Once confirmed, open the Play Store, search for eFootball, and simply tap Install. Remember, your Chromebook should run Chrome OS and Android 9.0 or newer, have at least 4 GB of RAM, and 3 GB of storage for optimal performance. If the Android app isn't ideal, or you prefer another method, cloud gaming is a fantastic alternative. Services like Boosteroid allow you to stream eFootball directly to your Chromebook. You can usually access these platforms through your web browser, eliminating the need for large downloads or powerful local hardware. The game runs on remote servers, and the video feed streams to your device, offering a smooth experience with a good internet connection. To truly enjoy eFootball on your Chromebook, a few tips can enhance your experience. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial, especially for cloud gaming, to minimize lag. For more precise control, connecting an external game controller can significantly improve your gameplay over touchscreen or keyboard inputs. Always check your Chromebook's specifications against the game's requirements to ensure smooth performance. With these steps, you'll be ready to build your dream team and compete globally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.